15 more classic car projects. Let's see what hidden gems showed up this time. Number 1. 1971 Ford Torino, US $3,000, Clymer, Pennsylvania. Offered for US $3,000 in Clymer, Pennsylvania, this 1971 Ford Torino is powered by a 351 Cleveland V8 paired with a C4 automatic transmission. According to the seller, the engine runs well and the car is still capable of driving, although it is being sold as a project. The Torino carries a salvage certificate following a front-end accident earlier this year, with damage visible on the front fender and valance. The passenger side rear floor is described as soft, and some rust is present. Price, US $3,000. Location, Clymer, Pennsylvania. Number 2. 1978 Mercury Zephyr, US $2,500, Caledonia, Wisconsin. Listed for US $2,500 in Caledonia, Wisconsin, this 1978 Mercury Zephyr is equipped with a 5.0-liter V8, automatic transmission, bucket seats, and shows just 36,000 miles. The seller says the car has been elderly owned and still runs well. The body is described as solid with only minor surface rust, and it comes with a clear title. For someone looking for a mostly original late 1970s Ford product that is already running and driving, this Zephyr appears to be a straightforward survivor. Price, US $2,500. Location, Caledonia, Wisconsin. Number 3. 1965 Plymouth Fury 3, US $2,200, Olathe, Kansas. Located in Olathe, Kansas, this 1965 Plymouth Fury 3 is offered for US $2,200. It features a 318 cubic inch V8 backed by Chrysler's 727 TorqueFlite automatic transmission and currently shows 104,330 miles. According to the seller, the Fury runs, moves, and stops, but it has been sitting for several years and is not roadworthy. The engine smokes and needs tuning, while the car also requires towing home despite having solid floors, a sturdy frame, and a title. Price, US $2,200. Location, Olathe, Kansas. Number 4. 1964 Chrysler Newport, US $3,000, Liberty, South Carolina. This 1964 Chrysler Newport is available for US $3,000 in Liberty, South Carolina. Powered by a 361 big black V8 with a 727 automatic transmission, the seller describes it as a smooth-running cruiser with 104,000 original miles and many recent maintenance upgrades. New brakes, radiator, tires, ignition components, fuel system parts, and fresh servicing have already been completed. Minor rust and a few cosmetic imperfections remain, while the turn signal and horn still need attention, but overall it is presented as an honest driver with a clean title. Price, US $3,000. Location, Liberty, South Carolina. Number 5. 1962 Ford Falcon, US $2,000, Cahokia, Missouri. Priced at US $2,000 in Cahokia, Missouri, this 1962 Ford Falcon 4-door has been upgraded with a 302 small block V8 and an AOD automatic transmission. Several mechanical components have recently been replaced, including the carburetor, battery, fuel pump, wheels, tires, and suspension parts. Although the Falcon still runs, it currently suffers from a severe oil leak caused by a damaged oil pan and will also need brake and electrical work. It remains a solid foundation for someone looking to continue improving a classic compact Ford. Price, US $2,000. Location, Cahokia, Missouri. Number 6. 1979 Chevrolet Malibu, US $3,000, Cornelia, Georgia. Offered for US $3,000 in Cornelia, Georgia, this 1979 Chevrolet Malibu is described as a regularly driven classic that has already received a 350 V8 engine swap along with a turbo 350 automatic transmission. The seller notes that the car is nearly 50 years old and naturally shows some age, but it continues to run and drive well. It is being offered with a bill of sale, and the seller is also open to possible trades. Price, US $3,000. Location, Cornelia, Georgia.
Number 7. 1966 Ford Thunderbird Coupe, US $3,000, Essex, Maryland. Located in Essex, Maryland, this 1966 Ford Thunderbird carries an asking price of US $3,000. The seller reports that the car runs and drives and is mechanically usable. The primary needs are a replacement brake booster and fresh paint, with the seller stating that the body is essentially ready for refinishing. For buyers seeking a drivable Thunderbird project, this example may require less mechanical work than many similarly priced classics. Price, US $3,000. Location, Essex, Maryland. Number 8. 1965 Ford Mustang Coupe, US $2,500, Yanceyville, North Carolina. This 1965 Ford Mustang Coupe is listed for US $2,500 in Yanceyville, North Carolina. It is equipped with an inline-six engine, automatic transmission, and includes a clear title. According to the seller, the Mustang has been sitting for roughly 20 years and does not currently run. While it will require recommissioning before returning to the road, it presents a complete starting point for a restoration project. Price, US $2,500. Location, Yanceyville, North Carolina.
Number 9. 1973 BMW 2002, US $3,000, Springville, Tennessee. Offered for US $3,000 in Springville, Tennessee, this Euro-spec 1973 BMW 2002 is equipped with a manual transmission and shows 65,828 miles. The seller says the car comes with both a clean title and keys, making it a complete restoration candidate. The engine turns over by hand and the transmission shifts through the gears, but the BMW does not currently run. According to the seller, it will require a full restoration before returning to the road, and transportation by trailer is necessary. Finished with chrome bumpers and later square taillights, the car retains many desirable European market features. The seller is also willing to deliver it for the cost of fuel if needed. Overall, this is an honest BMW 2002 project for enthusiasts looking to restore one of the brand's most iconic compact sports sedans. Price, US $3,000. Location, Springville, Tennessee. Number 10. 1968 Ford Falcon two-door, US $1,650, Coopersburg, Pennsylvania. Located in Coopersburg, Pennsylvania, this 1968 Ford Falcon is priced at US $1,650. It is powered by a straight-six engine with an automatic transmission and shows 86,145 miles. The seller reports the car has been sitting for several years, although the engine has been started using an external fuel source and reportedly sounds healthy. The original fuel tank may still be usable with additional filtration. Structurally, the Falcon is described as having solid frame rails and a generally solid body, with only a few minor cosmetic issues and surface rust on the roof. A clean title is included. Whether kept original or transformed into a lightweight drag car, this Falcon offers a solid platform that will still require mechanical recommissioning before regular driving. Price, US $1,650. Location, Coopersburg, Pennsylvania.
Number 11. 1973 Ford Maverick, US $1,500, Billingsley, Alabama. This 1973 Ford Maverick is offered for US $1,500 in Billingsley, Alabama. The seller describes it as a straight, dent-free restoration candidate with its original interior and factory hubcaps still in place. While no mechanical information is provided, the body is presented as one of the car's strongest points. It reportedly needs fresh paint, but has good overall potential for restoration. The listing specifically suggests it would make an excellent father and son project thanks to its complete appearance and straightforward layout. For buyers searching for an inexpensive classic Ford with a clean-looking body, this Maverick could provide an affordable place to begin. Price, US $1,500. Location, Billingsley, Alabama. Number 12. 1978 Chevrolet El Camino Conquista, US $3,000, Louisville, Kentucky. Priced at US $3,000 in Louisville, Kentucky, this family-owned 1978 Chevrolet El Camino Conquista is an all-original, numbers-matching example powered by a 350 V8 and automatic transmission. The seller says it runs and drives but has spent considerable time sitting. Brake performance is weak, the steering box requires adjustment, valve cover gaskets need replacement, and the engine produces a small amount of smoke. Because of those issues, the seller recommends transporting the vehicle on a flatbed rather than attempting a long drive, although it is still driven occasionally around the neighborhood. Numerous extra parts are included, and the title has already been signed and notarized. Overall, this El Camino presents an appealing original foundation that will benefit from mechanical servicing before regular road use. Price, US $3,000. Location, Louisville, Kentucky. Number 13. 1978 Chevrolet K20, $2,000, Monticello, Indiana. Available for $2,000 in Monticello, Indiana, this 1978 Chevrolet K20 pickup is reported to run well and features an engine with a mild performance camshaft. The seller originally intended to restore the truck, but ultimately decided against beginning the project. Although it runs, the truck does not include a title. It is suggested as a potential work truck, woods truck, or future custom build, thanks to its running drivetrain. For buyers who are comfortable with a no-title vehicle, this K20 could provide a solid mechanical starting point for an off-road or utility project. Price, $2,000. Location, Monticello, Indiana. Number 14. 1972 Volkswagen Beetle, $3,000, Rixieville, Virginia. Listed for $3,000 in Rixieville, Virginia, this 1972 Volkswagen Beetle is powered by a rebuilt 1,600cc four-cylinder engine and a manual transmission. The seller states the engine was rebuilt at approximately 60,000 miles. Recent work includes 4 new tires, a new steering stabilizer, and rebuilt dual Weber carburetors. The interior remains complete, although the door panels could use attention, and the car has only a small dent on one rear fender. After sitting for about a year, the Beetle will likely benefit from a tune-up, but the seller says everything else functions as expected. For someone wanting a mostly complete air-cooled Volkswagen that already has several important upgrades completed, this appears to be a practical restoration or weekend driver candidate. Price, $3,000. Location, Rixieville, Virginia.
Number 15. 1957 Buick Special Parts Car. Parts only, Rome, Georgia. The final listing is a 1957 Buick Special located in Rome, Georgia. Although the advertisement displays USD 100, the seller clearly states that the entire vehicle is not being sold for that amount. Instead, the listing is for body panels and interior parts only. The frame and engine are excluded, unless someone purchases the complete vehicle separately. The seller specifies local pickup and cash payment only, with no shipping offered.
Rather than a restoration project, this listing is best viewed as a source of original 1957 Buick body and interior components for another vehicle already under restoration. Location: Rome, Georgia. Which project would you bring home? Leave your favorite in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for the next collection of affordable classic cars.